Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle rocket. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a clean plastic bottle, perhaps a 1 liter or 2 liter size, along with some sturdy cardboard for the fins and nose cone. Don't forget strong adhesive tape, a pair of sharp scissors, and a marker. These basic items will form the foundation of your exciting project, ensuring a fun and successful build. Now, let's focus on the key aerodynamic components. Take your cardboard and cut out a large circle. This will be transformed into your rocket's nose cone by shaping it into a cone and securing it with plenty of tape. Next, design and cut out 3 or 4 triangular fins. These are crucial for guiding your rocket straight during its ascent, so make them symmetrical. With your nose cone and fins ready, it's time for assembly. Carefully attach the nose cone to the bottom of your plastic bottle, ensuring a tight seal with ample tape. Then, position your 3 or 4 fins evenly around the bottle's body. Secure each fin with strong tape, making sure they are straight and firm. A well-assembled rocket is key to a successful flight. Before launching, safety is paramount. Always choose an open outdoor space, far from people, animals, and structures. Ensure adult supervision and wear eye protection. Use a launch system with a safety interlock and conduct a loud, clear countdown. Stand at least 15 feet away from the rocket during launch. Never retrieve a rocket from dangerous locations like power lines.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.